talk about Delaware franchise tax. The deadline for Delaware franchise tax is March 1st, 2020. It's coming up in a week. So today we're going to talk about what it is and how you can DIY filing Delaware franchise tax online. So first thing first, what is Delaware franchise tax? Is it for franchise owners only? The answer is no. Delaware franchise tax is for anyone who incorporated in Delaware. And the second question I get a lot is, if I did not make any revenue for 2019, do I still have to pay Delaware franchise tax? The answer is yes, you still have to pay, regardless if you made any money. And then third question happened pretty often lately is some founders asking me why did they get a really high amount of Delaware franchise tax in a letter or on their website. First of all, do not panic. The number is automatically generated on the website, so it does not truly represent how much you have to pay. And what you can do is, after you enter all the information from your company on Delaware franchise tax website and hit recalculate button on the website, then it will give you a true number on how much you need to pay. So do not panic when you see a big number like 82,500. It does not represent the true tax dollar amount you need to pay. And then the next one we want to talk about is, exactly how to calculate Delaware franchise tax. Before we start that process, we need two things. First one, balance sheet. Second one, cap table. And they all need to be from 2019, meaning if your accounting books follows calendar year, then it should be from January 1st, 2019 to December 31st, 2019. You need the balance sheet and cap table for 2019. Once you get these two things ready, now we're ready to talk about how to calculate Delaware franchise tax. There's two methods to calculate. First one is authorized shares method. Second one is assumed par value capital method. And why are they different? So the first one, as the name indicates, is based on authorized shares, right? It does not relate to assets. So if you don't have an asset in the company, it's probably cheaper to use this method. And the second one is assumed par value capital method. That's when you issued shares to your investors, and then you have assets in the cash in the bank account, and then fixed assets. That's when you need to use assumed par value capital method to calculate. So these two methods are very, very different, and you pick one that give you a smaller amount to pay for Delaware franchise tax. So that's how you calculate. That's the two methods that you can use to calculate the tax amount you owe to Delaware. And what if you miss the deadline? There is a penalty. So if you miss the deadline on March 1st, 2020, then you have to pay a penalty for that. I think that's all the questions for today. If you can think of anything else, please do let me know. And good luck on tax filing.